Greetings from Pakistan. This is a message for the UN and the entire international human rights organizations. My name is Shandana Gulzar Khan. I'm a member of Pakistan's parliament. Prime Minister Imran Khan has been unjustly incarcerated for the last 15 months. His sisters picked up nearly 10 days ago. The crime unknown. However, what is alarming and should be alarming for the entire world, that his family, his doctors and his lawyers have not been allowed to meet him in contravention of all international laws that Pakistan is a signatory to, all constitutional provisions that he is allotted, and all jail manual rules that he is subject to. Should the former Prime Minister of a nuclear-armed country be treated in this manner? And for what crime? For deciding that Pakistan should not take part in any more international wars, that we would not be available to anybody to act as their mercenaries. It's a simple message for the world. Wake up before it's too late. We're a country that matters, and we are not patient like Palestine. We will speak. We will retaliate. This is to everyone who's aware of what is happening, who is complicit in what is happening. Please ensure that Prime Minister Imran Khan gets his due rights within the next 24 hours, or the consequences will be upon all of you.